Okay, so our issue that was draining the battery is this little door indicator here was staying on all the time. So you can see the way I have it wired up, it still tells you that the doors are open on either side. So it's got two sensors. It's got this door seatbelt alarm, and that was the issue. When the door closes, even though it's closed all the way, it doesn't quite get it close enough to trip that second sensor. So the fix was underneath the dash here. You can see this connector I've got disconnected. It plugs in right here. And if you want to test to make sure that it's working, you can just kind of set it in there loosely. If you let it snap all the way in, you'll probably have to drop this control box completely out. There's one screw on each side. It'll drop down. You can pull it out this end and then easily get that connector in and out if necessary. But basically that's how all that's set up. And then to fix the door, what you want to do is, based on everything I read, is you just want to get the hinges that are connected to the body here. So there's two sets, one on the top, one on the bottom. Here's the bottom set. So don't change anything on connected to the door. Leave the hinges on the door the way they are, or you'll change the alignment of everything. But basically what happens is it sags just a little bit, so you can hear it lift and drop the tiniest little bit when it closes, and that's just enough to not trip that second sensor. And then in order to do that, what you'll need to do is loosen the fender here, all the nuts along the top, to be able to pull this away enough to get to those bolts that you need to raise the door.